Your face turns red and you can't stop it. A blush is an involuntary confession written in blood. It says, "I broke the rule. I'm sorry." No other animal does this. A chimp doesn't flush red when humiliated. A dog doesn't blush when caught doing something wrong. But humans do. And it's a superpower. Researcher Dasha Keltner found that people who blush are rated as more trustworthy and more moral than those who don't. The visible sign of guilt became proof of innocence. In small tribes where trust was survival, a blush proved you understood the rules, regretted breaking them, and weren't a threat. Your involuntary face betrays you in shame, and that betrayal makes others believe you again. So the next time you feel your face burning with embarrassment, you're not experiencing weakness. You're experiencing evolution, proving you're trustworthy.